posing. Mm-hmm. You a poser? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a naughty word to say. Oh, you keep saying it. That's a naughty word. Yeah. That sounds a little less naughty. Are you being goofy? Are you being goofy? Yeah. I'm trying to get good pictures. I'm trying to get good pictures. Mm-hmm. You play with that, you're gonna fall. Oh my gosh. Don't you know anything else? What was she doing? Being a goof.